we are installing an vertical garden for a factory, and we like to show how to install yourself. So many people doesn't know the method of installing. So it's not that only you should use this way. You can also directly put these panels into the walls. So it's up to us. So whatever we need, we can do like that. So I will show different type of installations. So one thing you can just put directly onto the wall also. Here we have not directly put, instead what we have done, we have used an aluminum profile. See, aluminum profile is very old, almost 7 years old. So initial stage, first sample pots we have put. So see, in this we have screwed up the panels. In this we have screwed up the panels, and this channels, we have just tied up. See, we have tied it here. That's all. Bottom also we have not used many nails. We have just used only 2 nails, and we have put, one is here, the other is here. Only 2 nails on the walls, others are been put in just channel. But the problem here, maybe some people may think actually that's true, the water, excess water will go to the wall. So if you want that, we can give gap. So how to give gap? For example, this is also an almost 4 or 5 years old setup. I'm just showing. If you want to give a gap from the wall, you can give like this. See, from the wall we have given 1.4 inch thickness pipe, and in that pipe we have given cross with the weldings, mostly with the weldings, and then we have installed the panels. So there are 2 type of pipes, and to show you very clearly, this has been done almost 4 or 5 years back. One is with the GI pipes, the other is with the MS pipe. So GI pipe is this. So you see, so the rusting is very less. GI means there is a coating above the MS pipe. That's called as GI, or some people say it as GP pipes, GI pipes. Galvanized iron is the short form. So GI coated pipes, and this is a normal MS pipe. These most of the fabricators will be using an MS pipe. So MS pipe, see, after 3 years or 2 years itself will go. We have used a thick pipe, but still after 4 years, see, this will go like this. Everything will go like this, and you will have a problem. Whereas same GI pipe is used here. So this is the top of the MS pipe. So see, take it. The same GI pipe is used here. See, GI pipes will have very long life compared to the MS pipe. See, all the things has been come. When you start taking, it will come. It keeps on coming. So don't use an MS pipe. Use GI pipes. So normally we use 1.5 or 1.4 inch GI pipes for the thing. If not, 2 inch by 1 inch GI pipes can also be used. So put a frame in the wall, and then you can put the GI frame, and then you can use the panels. So I will show mostly these are all done with the GI. MS, I will show you MS. So when you look into the cost, and when you want to cut the cost, see the MS structure after 4 years, all the panels will fall down. See MS pipes, the quality of MS pipe is this. At the same time, we have put the GI pipes. See, GI pipes are very strong, but the MS pipes, it will go. So don't use an MS pipe. Or if you have an additional option of getting an aluminum pipe, it's more comfortable. So take an aluminum pipe, get an aluminum pipe of 2 inch by 1 inch, and get at least 2 mm thickness. Okay, so if not, this will come in 12 feet length. So you will be getting, you can get at least in 3 kg. So 3 kg or 2.8 kg one length, or you can ask for an 2 mm thickness aluminum pipes. So this aluminum have very longer life when compared to GI also. GI is good, but aluminum is very good. So get this pipe. Whatever. For example, I will show you one frame. See, in the older one, which you saw, it was just a frame. So this has an additional 2 layer. What is the 2 layer? One layer is this. See, standing pipe. I'm just going again back so that you can see clearly. So after that, we have screwed up with another pipeline for the lengthwise. So height wise, we have given 2 legs. I will show you from this side. See, height wise, we have given 2 legs. These 2 legs will be screwed up with the wall. Additionally, we have given these running lines. We have screwed up, and then we have put the panels. See the screw, the other side of the screw. I'm just showing it. See. So screws. use good quality screws, not the cheaper ones, so that the cheaper screws will get rusted and will get breakage. So this, you see, it has a very good long life. See, this has a very good. Sometimes no, when you just put it very strongly, this may also happen. So but nothing wrong. It will hold compactly, it will hold tightly. So normally it don't happen, but when you use the machine very hardly, sometimes it happens. But that's not a problem. And you also have closures for this, plastic closures for these pipes. So this is 2 inch by 1 inch. You have ready-made closures available in the hardware stores. But you can also buy online. You just close it so that no insects will go inside. So you can close it here, also here. See, I just wanted to show you the small frame which you have. Smaller system, that's earlier one was big size. Small size. Michael, I will also show a wide angle of this. Michael, right. So here also we have used 2 legs. See, 2 legs are there, and in between we have cross frames. Again, I will show you from the sides. See, leg and then cross files, so that you have an almost 2 inch, 3 inch gap from the wall. For example, if this is, here is the wall, so you see almost 2 inch gap from the wall, and then the panel, so almost 3 inch gap, and then comes the pot, so that the watering doesn't goes to the backside wall. So that's the thing. So this is the M4 model. M4, M2 almost same. M4 is little thing. The advantage of M4, you can also put the pots in this way. If not, you can just put the pots on the other way. When you put like this also, yeah, this model you can just put the pots. So that is the advantage of this model. So M2, it comes with a hook. This is little maybe different, little bigger size. M2 comes with a standard size, which is commonly used, and that comes with the hook pot. So that's easy, and depends on your use, you can buy. So that's the advantage of this M4 model.